Good afternoon, this is Benji Chodoro and it's 1:32 p.m. This is Stock Investing and I'll be doing a quick review of the PSEI stocks which figured in today's trading. But first let me share with you a news item yesterday. The PSEI falls, nasan siya? Ito. Slipped to the fifth straight session because of foreign selling. Okay, so kaya bumabagsak si PSEI is because of foreign selling, and this has started sometime in August. So natin. Wait lang. Ito tayo. Okay. Kita niyo ba? Ito na siya. Okay. And if you'll take a look at the PSEI, nakikita niyo ba yung PSEI, guys? Display na ito. Take a look at the PSEI. It's at 57.22 and kung titingnan natin yung short sell, foreign selling, makikita natin doon. I'm using the Instagram's platform. Okay. Nakikita niyo to? Sumobra. Okay. Since August 24, meron siyang August 17 nag-start yung foreign selling eh. So pagka pink, ito, foreign selling siya. And up to today, there is foreign selling. That's why our PSEI closed slightly up in spite of the foreign selling. But the largest was yesterday at 1.64 billion worth. So our PSEI today closed at 57.22. Tingnan natin yung chart. Okay, it closed at 57.22 with a hammer. It's a green candlestick. We call this a hammer. And like what I said yesterday, the PSEI is sitting on a support level. So meron siyang slight bounce today. Ito yung support niya. Actually, ito. Meron siyang slight bounce today. So mga 34 points siya up from the previous close. Okay, so let's take a look at the most active stocks in the PSEI. Tingnan natin yung top 5. The first is Ali. Si Ali closed down. It's a red candlestick. Parang sort of a doji, but it closed lower than the opening price. And the support level na breach niya. Na-draw ko na pala yung candlestick dito, yung support level. Itong si Ali. Sorry lang. Gumagana yung aking mouse. Okay, so this is the support level na breach niyan. The next support level is here. But the PSI had a bounce. So Ali is one of the index stocks. And hopefully mag-bounce siya tomorrow. Pero kung hindi, hindi mag-hold kung hopefully this is just it's a sign na nagbabago yung trend, no? Pero pagka nagtuloy-tuloy yan, the next support level is 2440 or to 2450. So let's look at another one, SMPH. SMPH is the next most active stock. Negative din siya. So it's also sitting at a support level, and the stock closed slightly lower than the previous day. Pero kung hindi uli mag-hold yung support, then the next support is 2460 to 2470. Okay, next is BDO. Sa BDO, nagko-consolidate lang siya. So pinlat ko na yung it's sitting on a support level, but this level is already very low. No, in fact, triple bottom na siya. 1, 2, 3. And then yung consolidation niya is just within the support area. It closed with a green candlestick, but right now it is consolidating below the EMA or the exponential moving average, EMA 20. Okay. By the way, guys and girls, I'm using the exponential moving average for 20 days as our short-term indicator, and the 50-day exponential moving average as our medium-term indicator. The exponential moving average gives weight to prices that recently closed. Also, another indicator that I use is the relative strength index. So the relative strength index is an indicator which assesses the closing prices of the stock. If the closing price is higher in the past 14 days, then the RSI approaches 100, okay, or 50 to 100. If the closing prices closed lower in the previous days, then relative to the previous closing prices, then the RSI moves closer to 0. So 0 to 100 siya. If the RSI is 70 and above, that is considered overbought, meaning it is a sign that there might be a change in trend. Overbought meaning malakas ang stock. Malakas yung maraming buyers, so malakas yung demand. And when you say overbought, it means that there is demand is about to peak and the trend is about to change. When you say oversold, the prices are rock bottom already, and sellers will realize that the traders will realize that the stock is very cheap, kaya oversold siya. And the trend, there might be a change in trend to the upside. So right now the RSI is at 40, which is below the midpoint level. It's considered bearish. Okay. So next, let's look at AC, Ayala Corporation, one of the index stocks. Ayala Corporation is okay, also sitting at a support level. In fact, it closed higher. Napakatayo niya. support siya. Ito yung support niya. Yan. So nag-overshoot lang ng konti, but again, the support, when I say support, it is an area. Okay? It is an area. It's not an exact line. So give or take, I don't know, plus or minus 10 points, I suppose. But it is an area. Okay? So, ito yung previous support niya. Ito naman ay yung dating resistance na naging support. This one here. Pero malayo na siya. Pero near support is here. Okay. It is a hammer, actually a revert, tama ba to? A red candlestick with a small body, and it closed at 700. Now hopefully this may bounce back, now if the support holds. Okay, next is TEL. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So tingnan natin si TEL. Okay, TEL, green candlestick. It opened at a lower price and it closed just about the closing price of the previous day. Okay, pero the candlestick is above the EMA20 line, so the trend of the stock is still upwards. Let's see the directional movement. It's 19, but when you take a look at the or three indicators, the short, medium, and long term, the movement is upwards. So this is probably a higher low that we're experiencing here, and probably a bounce, no? Because the support is here. Ito yung support level ni TEL. Nandiyan siya. So nag-bounce siya here, and since this is a green candlestick, most probably this will go higher the following day. Okay, next, let's take a look at okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. First 7 siguro nito. Let's look at SM. Okay, SM. Tanggalin natin yung isang indicator, yung long term. SM still closed in the red, no? So mukhang consolidation mode pa siya, and it's sitting at a support because of the negative sentiment and foreign selling. So ito siya, support siya. Yan. Pero kung hindi mag-hold yung support niyan, ang next niya is tingin ko dito na eh. Merong nakikita akong support dito. Here, this area here, 766 is the next support level. Okay, 750 to 770 is the next support level. But SM has the largest market cap among the index stocks, so it's a very good company with good fundamentals, and it is a leader in the industry. Okay, so hindi tayo kabado dyan kay SM. So let's take a look at another one. Siguro yung ano lang, no? Yung top 7, Bloom. Yesterday, meron tayong, sinabi ko na bantayan natin si Bloom, di ba? So, nag-breakout ba? Whip! Yes! Tumuloy-tuloy siya. No? There is volume. It started September 1. Then there's volume September 2. That was yesterday. It pierced the EMA 20 and EMA 50. And now it is above both short and medium term indicators. No? So, and there is a strong volume. So hopefully, this will still probably go up unless na mag-profit taking. Yung resistance niya is nakikita ko next here at the 750 level. The RSI is now at 63, which is very bullish. Okay, so congratulations to those who were able to get in yesterday and still holding on to the stock today. Okay, let's go to the top gainers. BCOR. Okay, Berjaya. Now look at this. This is the first time I saw this candlestick formation. So kinda, I find this kind of weird kasi puro green, no? Parang isang hilera siya. So ang nangyayari dito is that when in a single day, the opening price, it goes up, it closes higher. The following day, it goes down to the original closing price or near it, then goes up again. So parang, I don't know, nilalaro kaya itong stock na ito. And then, ito, August, July, and June. Ilan yung red na yan? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So for 3 months, it only had 6 red candlesticks. At average of 2 red candlesticks in a month. Pero tingnan yung pattern, guys. So, ayan, pantay-pantay lang siya. So if you bought at opening and at closing, binenta nyo, no? Siguro kung calculate nyo yung risk reward niyan, kumita kayo ng konti, no? Pero malaki ba yung market cap? 10.59 billion, medyo malaki rin. No, mas malaki pa kaya dito ito eh. Pero bakit ganito yung formation niya? Here naman, yung last candlestick niya is a strong green candlestick with volume. Okay? Pero let's not be kampante here. Ingat tayo dito dahil baka the following day we might be hit by a red candlestick na sa taas manggaling. Yung opening tapos bigla siyang babagsak tulad dito. Red. Dito. May red din dito. Dito may red din dito. Every time there is a solid green candlestick, it's hit by a red. Dito rin, mayroong solid green candlestick. So, ingat po tayo dyan. No, so, pagkapapasok po tayo, kailangan meron tayong extra money na pwede nating ilagay dyan. Pero, be ready with our stop loss price. No? Okay. Next, na-discuss na natin si Bloom. Wala na eh. BPI, Pure Gold, JFC. Okay. Tingnan natin si URC. Last na natin ito. Okay, URC. Co-consolidate lang si URC. Closed at 140 but the range of consolidation is within this area. So calculate you guys. So now if you're doing range trading, URC is a very good stock. And if you're doing range trading, you can buy at this level here, 136, 137, and sell at 143. So tingnan nyo lang yung risk-reward ratio kung okay sa inyo yan. the ideal risk reward ratio sa akin is 1:1.5 to 2. No? Meaning, you gain 2 points for every 1 point loss. No? Tama ba? 1:2 eh. Yung reward mo is 2, ang loss mo ay 1. Okay. And then, I think that's it. Let's wrap up. The PSEI closed slightly higher today from the opening price by 34 points from the previous close. But there is still foreign selling. As we have seen in the past 2 weeks. So, pakita ko lang yung foreign selling dito. And so, ayan, it's a negative 1.12 billion foreign selling. Okay, so that's it for today. If you have questions, please drop me a comment. I hope you can you subscribe to my channel, and bye for now.